Good morning, children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I'm Jaypriya, your maths teacher. Children, now our 4 lessons are over. Okay, numbers, addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Okay, today let us learn one interesting lesson, that is shapes, symmetry, and patterns. Okay, it's a very interesting lesson. The shapes you were already studied in your last year. Okay, do you remember which are the basic shapes? Yes, triangle, square, rectangle, and circle. Today, let us learn the parts of different shapes. Okay, see, a shape have either a flat surface or a curved surface, or a flat face or curved face. Do you know what is meant by face? Yes, the flat surface of an object or the flat surface of a shape is called a face. Okay, the flat surface of a shape is called a face. And the meeting place of these two faces are called edges. Okay, first one is face, second one edges. Meeting place of two faces is called edges, and the meeting point of two edges is called vertex. Okay, meeting point of two edges is called vertex. Vertices is the plural of vertex. Okay, when we mention so many vertices, then we can say that vertices. Vertices of a square. Name the vertices of a square means you have to name all the point. Okay, see now I will show you some examples for this face, edge and vertex. Okay, now I have one box. Can you see this box? It's a rectangle box. This shape is called a rectangle. Okay, how many faces for this? How many flat faces? See, this rectangle, here one face, one, then its opposite 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 flat faces. How many curved faces? No curved. No curved faces for a rectangle box. Then how many edges? See, now this face and these faces are meeting and here. So these are two edges. Here we have two edges. Here we have two edges. Here we have two edges. Then here two edges. Then here two edges. Then total how many edges? Okay, let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges for a rectangle? 12 edges. Okay, this one is not a rectangle box. This one is called cuboid. Okay, three-dimensional picture of or the solid shape of this rectangle is called cuboid. Okay. Then how many vertices? What is meant by vertices? Yes, the meeting place or the meeting point of two edges is called the vertex. See here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 vertex for a cuboid. Clear? Total 8 vertex, then 12 edges. Okay, then 6 faces for a cuboid. Clear? Next one is cylinder. See, this shape is called a cylinder. Can you see this shape? This one is called a cylinder. Then here, how many flat faces? Or how many straight faces? Flat faces. Here we have one flat face. Here we have one flat face. So we have two flat faces and one curved face. This one is called a curved face. Okay, so a cylinder have two flat faces and one curved faces. Then how many edges? Yes, two edges. Here one edge. See, this face and these faces are meeting here. That's why here one edge, here one edge. Curved edge, no straight edge. Curved edge. Then how many vertices? No vertex. No vertices. See, no edges meeting with any other edge. Here we have only one edge. Here we have only one edge. These two edges are not meeting together. Okay, vertex means the meeting point of two edges. That's why the cylinder has no meeting edge, so it has no vertex. Okay, next example is cone. Same, can you see this? This one is called cone. This shape is called cone. Okay, I know you all are like ice cream. You can see this shape. Okay, cone ice cream. Okay, see. So this is the shape of cone. Okay, see here we have one flat face. This one is called flat face, and this one is called curved face. Okay, and this here we have one point. Okay, the sharpening point. Okay, this point is called vertex. So it won't have only one vertex, one flat face and one curved face. Okay. Next one is ball. Okay, can you see this ball? It's an ice cream ball. Okay. See, is this ball have any flat face? No, it has no flat face. And it has only curved face. This one is called curved. Okay. And no edges, no vertices. Okay, so a sphere. This shape is called sphere. Okay, this ball. This one is called sphere. Okay. So a sphere have one curved face and no flat face, no vertex and no edges. Okay, so these are the differentials. Okay, so children, please study all these shapes. Then, do you know how to make a square? Which one is called square? What is the difference between square and rectangle? Yes, for square, all sides are equal. For square, all sides are equal. And for rectangle, two sides are equal. Okay, so you can create a square or you can make a square from a rectangle. Do you know how to create a square from a rectangle? Okay, I will show you with one paper. So you all take one paper. See, now I have one paper. Can you see this A4 sheet paper? Okay, so you can fold the paper like this. Okay, see, fold like this. These two edges keep together. Okay, fold like this. These two edges keep together. Okay, then see, now you get like this. Okay, all of you try to do. Here I am taking one A4 sheet and fold the paper. These two edges keep together. So now you get like this. Okay, these two edges keep together. Then you can fold the bottom part. See, one bottom part is here. Okay, one extended part. That extended portion you can fold like this. Here I am folding. That part you can cut. See the folded part you can cut. Then you can open your paper. Now you get a square like this. Okay, now you get a square like this. So like this you all can make a square from a rectangle. Okay, you all take a paper, then do like this. Okay, then see you again with another topic. Till then, bye. Thank you.